Hello and welcome to another short Waffentube update. The tank build is going nowhere, but the workshop is soon finished. So this little tank can get into on the roof and I can start working on it again. As you see, the weather here sucks, but I have gotten myself two more engines, one B20 and one B18 engine, so I can make two more tanks when I'm done with that. So let's take a quick look inside if I can get through. So ta-da! And it's all green, of course. Can you recognize the green color? So soon this will be done, so I can put in my little tank in here and do some serious building, so I can get out on the airsoft field and make terror. So like and subscribe and see more of my crazy stuff. Bye bye.